Hey, how's it going, guys? Alan White here, and just welcome back to a new video. It's a new thing I'm doing. It's motor vlogging. Really, this isn't a full-on motor vlog because I'm not actually talking. I don't have the setup to do that right now, so we're going to have to deal with it. But hopefully, you guys enjoy a good dirt bike trail video. We made a trail. It took us 2 hours. He gets stuck. That was great. He threw dirt everywhere. Hilarious moment. I guess a 50cc cannot get through this at all. But it's okay. We did it anyways. So trailing on the Apollo, I just wanted to let you know real quick. It has done amazing. It has not given me any trouble. Although I do run into a tree. Spoiler alert. But anyways. As for the bike, it performs amazing. I haven't had any complaints. Just wanted to give an update from my review because I didn't really get to show me riding it, but as you can tell from the video, there's no audio playing right now, but the bike's really loud. It has a good low volume to it. Overall, I'm a huge fan of the bike. It doesn't have problems rolling over tree logs or anything, so that's always a plus. Everyone always wonders, can the bike get over it? And yes, it can. So hope you guys enjoy. I will be bringing out a longer video next time we ride, and hopefully have different angles with a better camera, and then have my GoPro video. Just all up, and there it goes. Great job, Alan. You ran into a tree. Great job. All right, I'm going to leave y'all with that. See you in the next one.
We're good. I can't believe we lost it. Oh, this was great. I think I bit my fender. I'll go. Ah!
Real quick, I did want to mention we did lose the trail, so that's why we're like, running into crap, and that's why I also ran into a tree, because we're stupid and we lost the trail.
Oh! 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 Oh, I see it! Ah!
Our excessive
Try not to
yelling
get
is getting kind of
decapitated.
annoying. I apologize.
Alright. Heck yeah, boy. Oh! Oh snap, oh snap. Oh, we need to make this trail a little bit bigger. Oh, oh. It's about to storm. We're going to be screwed. We gotta go. Putting in second gear. Gotta go around. Oh no, I left Jeremy, dude. Crap. Oh, it's getting windy. Pull right. Oh, it's raining. it.
So by now I have ditched Jeremy into the storm. I never really showed you all the storm, but there was big black clouds. It was thundering, and it was coming. Jeremy got stuck at the hill that you saw me back at, but you didn't really get a good view because of the GoPro, and it just kind of distorts how tall it really is, but it is pretty massive, and the little bike could not make it, so we had to get off and push it, but it rained the previous day, so it was soaked. And that's why we were taking that trail so carefully, because everything was wet, and that was our first time. Again, I want to point that out. We're bad bike riders right now, but we'll get there. Eventually get there where we can just fly up and down that trail. We got to get used to the trail first. We actually have to find the trail first. We made a trail, lost the trail, and now it's a storm, and we won't know until the next day what actually is going on. Hopefully Jeremy will have his bike back. It's at the shop right now. And yeah, we'll get some more content. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. And I'm talking for way too long. Thank you. See you in the next one.